If you want to grow your income even more, I highly recommend that you build a list of subscribers outside of YouTube. So what I'm talking about is a list of subscribers that you could email to whenever you want to promote affiliate offers or even your own offers. So to do this, what you can do is just create a helpful video that provides content. So this could be content on how to lose weight or how to make money with YouTube or whatever your niche is. Okay, so try to provide helpful tips and content in that video. And then about 2/3 of the way in the video, or even just at the end of the video, talk about your free report, checklist, etc. for that niche. So it could be a checklist of 5 things you need to do to lose weight, or 5 things you need to do to make money on YouTube, etc. And provide a link in the description for your viewers to go to sign up for that free offer. Now, building a landing page and creating your offer is beyond the scope of this course, as this course is mainly about YouTube. So I recommend you check out some other courses on how to create your own products, digital products, and how to create squeeze pages and funnels. Now, when you're creating your free products, I've mentioned this before, but you could use private label rights content, and that's content that you could buy or even get for free, that you could brand as your own. You could edit it, you could put your name on it and claim it yourself as the author. Okay. Now, in terms of collecting a database of subscribers, you will need an autoresponder, and my preferred autoresponder is GetResponse, although I'm sure there are many other great autoresponders out there, but to start out with, I do recommend GetResponse, and that's what I've been using for probably around 10 years now.